Hey guys! Wow, haggard. So for today's video, we're going to try out this Lip Malo Mini na nakuha ko last time sa Dep Store in the shade of Honey Glow. So I'm really excited to try this one. Ito yung may pagka-pink na red. Love it. Ang ganda. Quality talaga yung packaging, as in matte finish na makapal. Frosted na. What do you think? So, napasobra yung powder. Just the lips. Oh my goodness. I love it. So let's talk about the longevity. Alam naman natin na talagang nagugustuhan ng mga babae ang long-lasting tint. And this is one of the long-lasting lip tint that I've tried. Meron ako ng mas malaki. And yung shade nun is Vibin. It's like more of a MLBB. So these are the two that I have. Medyo mahal lang talaga. Kaya kapag sale, kumuha na kayo kasi long lasting and hindi siya nakaka-dry so far. Ayan. So far I'm loving the shade of Honeymoon Glow. Ito siya. So yun, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one.